Hello everyone, so in this video today I wanted to give you a little guided tour of Piwik Pro. For those of you who are not familiar with Piwik Pro, have never heard about it, don't worry. It's an analytics platform that is fairly similar actually to Universal Analytics. So for those of you who were a fan of Universal Analytics, this could be a valuable alternative. It has the same look and feel as Universal Analytics. It has the same sort of like the same platform and similar tracking to Universal Analytics. And so if you are still used to using GA4 as well, it's a good alternative because you're not going to have to train the team on a completely new tool. Piwik Pro is very well known across Europe for its privacy safety settings, and also something that is particularly interesting about Piwik Pro is there's no data sampling, so everything is based purely on your data. And so this is something that normally would slow down your data crunching process, but actually I have to say that it's pretty smooth in Piwik Pro. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So firstly, something that I wanted to mention, there's two different plans. There's the core plan and the enterprise plan. And so you'll quickly see that if you're a big organization, then you might have to use the enterprise plan, as you might quickly run out of monthly actions. But so something I want to say about Piwik Pro right out of the gate is that something that I particularly find interesting is that when you get Piwik Pro, you will get your analytics platform, but you also get a CDP, the customer data platform. The tag managers will work similarly to GTM. We'll dive into it a little later. And something that is cool, really cool, is that it comes also with a consent manager. So this is something that you normally have to set up externally with Cookiebot or whatever. But here you'll be able to set up your content form in whatever language you like. Now here we only have English, but in whatever language that you like. Right directly in the platform, which is amazing. Something else that I wanted to mention is, for example, in Piwik Pro you can have multiple websites. So for example, if you have like a development website or a staging website or an app, you can have either a site or meta sites. So basically here you have your sites that are, for example, our site here, the development, the staging website, and then you have the app. And then if you want to have the data, the combined data, you can create a meta site where you can analyze all the data. So let's have a little look at the platform. So here's the analytic platform. As I mentioned already, has the same look and feel as UA. Here we have our dashboard, and now there's a feature for real-time dashboard, real-time data. And then here you have all your reports. Here you have your custom reports, and obviously here you can create your report. As you can see, it's very simple to use. So let's just create one for the sake of it, just to show you what it looks like. So here you have your dimensions. You can select anything that you like. For example, let's just say I want to select, I don't know, like metrics. I want sessions. I want my sessions here, and then so you can see already how it's evolving. The date is already selected, and then whatever, I can select anything you like. So I don't know, here I can add the session, I can add the dimension, and then filter on a certain gclid. Don't know why I would want to do that, but just saying that there is an option just to show you what it looks like. Then here you have your goals. Well, for this specific client we haven't created any, and here are all the integrations. And this for the analytics platform, and this is what the PTM or GTM, more Piwik Tag Manager looks like. Here you can have all your tags. it's very simple to use actually. You have similar options as GTM. You can have, for example, here meta, and then as you can see, like I can add my meta pixel here. The consent type, this is like the consent type that I'm gonna select here actually is what is gonna appear on your consent form on the website. So here, if I have a tag and I select analytics, when I go and let's say in another tag, then I select remarketing, and in another tag I select user content, then when I go on the website and the content form opens up, then these are the options that I'm gonna see that I can select or deselect on the consent form. And then here I can create my trigger. So very similar to GTM. Here I can create my trigger. Let's say I want to create a page view, and then here, let's say test for a second, begins to load on page. Okay, and then here there's actually slightly less options than GTM, what I realize, but it's still gonna work. And as you can see, it's fairly similar, and it's fairly easy to create the tags and the triggers. Discard. Oh, discard. Yeah. So here are the tags. Here you can create your triggers. Here you can create your variables. Just to show you what it looks like. Here are the variable options. Yeah, just there's data layer variable, which is something that you want to use or you're going to be using very often, and then there's the debug mode. Yeah, honestly, I think this is we were using this for various clients, and I think this is like a solid alternative to GA4, and you might want to have a look at it.